Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a lock retwist on fine hair. I'm also going to be using my crochet needle to bring in all of the fuzziness at the bottom of her locks. This is about her fourth or fifth retwist. She's new to having locks, and basically because she has fine hair, it just took a long time for her locks to really mature. So basically what you're going to see me do today is actually use this 3-prong crochet needle to just clean up her locks and make sure that we're not just trimming it away with scissors, but we're just adding it into locks to make the lock stronger and fuller. I am using a different type of comb. I'm not using the traditional retwist comb, and when it comes to fine hair, you don't have to necessarily use the retwist comb. I would say the thinner and the finer the hair, the more versatility you have. But when the hair is thick, you definitely want to use a retwist comb. Especially if the locks have been maintenance well, you could pretty much use any comb. So I'm not messing up her locks at all. Don't be alarmed, and don't go and switch from a comb that you're used to using just because I'm doing it in this video. You can use a rat tail comb, or you can use a traditional retwist comb. It's just up to you. It's your preference. As long as the locks look good and they're locking, and that's my main concern and my primary focus. So finally, you get to see my 3-prong crochet needle. So you can see I'm using a back and forth motion. I'm actually going up the lock. So I start from the bottom and I'm working my way up the lock. So the technique I'm using is a fine weaving motion. You're just pulling the hairs through the lock onto the other side. So now I'm on the next row, so you get to see me start from one side all the way to the other. So I pin the rest of the locks up out of my way. And now I'm going to take the blow dryer just to get some of the dampness out. I don't want it completely dry because then it's going to be hard for me to twist the comb, but I'm just going to get a little bit of the dampness out to make sure that the product really holds, and that's going to provide cleaner, neater parts, you guys. I don't want this to be one of those videos where I talk the entire time, you guys, but I'm going to show you guys again my technique so you can just watch the entire video. So as you can see, you guys, we are all done. My client is so pleased with her locks. And one thing I do want to point out, look at those clean parts, you guys. I want to thank you so much for tuning into this video. Make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and also comment below so more people can find this video. And next time we're talking about bridal hair, you guys. I cannot wait, and don't you miss it.